Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here with a Dollar Tree haul, and the only reason I'm showing this is because there's a couple items I've never seen that if you have grandkids or kids that you might be interested in. But I'm going to just go through what I picked up. I got the cork board adhesive sheets, so I grabbed 4 of those just to have a few on hand. Then I'm just going to pick them. The other day I was looking for a little dish to put something in, and I did not have any extra, so I picked up these little craft bead storage, four of them. That's not bad, and a nice size. So I picked up those. Oh, it got me some vitamin C drops. Because I'm cold. And now my cold gave me also a canker sore, so I grabbed this. That on my paper. Alright. Oh, the reason I went to Dollar Tree is I was looking for the stamps yet, but I needed black paint, and the truck came in on Thursday, and I got a text message from my girl, black painting. So, got 2 of them. And I couldn't remember if I had any glue sticks left, but I knew my glue sticks were running low in my little thing over here. I grabbed some glue sticks just in case, because I did order a bunch in bulk at one time. But this is what I really want to show you. I've never seen these before. I thought they were so cute. And I bought them for my grandkids. And it's a little bank. This one's a unicorn. Let's take it out. Just show you what you get in it. So you get the paint. And you get the little ceramic. Oh, no way. I knew. I'm going to have to take this back. And it's broke. So I will take that back and get a different one. I knew this was one, and I thought that too. I should have checked them. So that one's going back. The way she dumped that out. She dumped out my basket. I grabbed one of those little baskets and she dumped it out instead of just taking it out all at the same time. Yeah. So the unicorn's going back. Here's the llama. I even said something to her. There's glass in there. So you get the paint. I gotta put that one back in there. The paint and the little brush. And that's the llama. Because I checked them before I walked out. I checked them in the aisle. I should have checked them after she dumped my basket. Let me put that paint back into that one. In that bag, the receipt. And then I got the car, the little coda there. I thought it was cute. And look at that, I have the little plastic thing. It's ceramic. I thought they could do that one. So I figured Allie and Riley could, I'll give Allie first choice. She wants to do a corner llama. And they had a little monkey and like a little submarine for boy-wise. So I picked the car. Coda there. I thought he'd like that. No, I can't get this back in the box. So I have that in there. There we go. This is somehow in there. I can't get it back in. I can't get it back in. But yeah, she dumped that. There we go. She dumped my green basket. I'm thinking instead of just picking it up piece by piece out, she dumped it. So that one's going back. I'll exchange that one. But that, I thought I'd show you those. Here's the unicorn. Cute. But I thought my grandkids would like to paint them. They're always crafting with me, and I thought these were cute ideas to craft. So I wanted to come on and at least show you guys them, so that if you can look for them at your Dollar Tree. Beemouth Font Rocks at her Dollar Tree that I can paint. Mine I haven't yet, because I keep looking my eyes out for them too. So I want to thank you for watching, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful Saturday. And as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody. Bye.